Okay, so once again, testing this windshield wiper motor from an early, it's the equivalent of the gull wing, but it's not it's the convertible. In any case, right now we've got 30 pounds, I think. Let's see what we got here. You got it? That's it?
It's got a little...
Oh, it's got a little tension on it. I think we weighed it before. It's 30 pounds. It says 28 and something there. I don't know how many gallons of water that is in our pit, but that's a lot of weight. And we're going to lift it with this string attached to our wiper motor, which had a concern about torque capabilities. And we're trying to do our best here to prove that the torque is sufficient to lift 30 pounds of water. And given copper and iron, I think that this is a good, viable test. So go ahead, Matt. Yeah, I mean, it's lifting it. So, and the amperage draw
is about 4 amps.
About 4 amps still. I mean, it's not really straining. I don't think we need to push this to its torque threshold. I think we proved that the motor has plenty of torque. So, anything else, Matt? I think we...
Yeah, and the other one we tested was about the same. So.
Oh, and we tried it on both speeds. By the way, this was tested on fast speed, and that was the speed that was giving us concern by our customer. Low speed, we've already done this test before. Low speed, it picks it up just as well. In any case, that's our story. We're sticking to it.